Hey guys, so I am just pulling some reports. You can see it is December 31st, New Year's Eve, going into the close of the day. It's 3:55. We're in this long NQ and long YM. This was just up like 350 a second ago. I have the charts back here. Ooh, look at EMD. It is tanking. But that's actually what I was pulling up here. So I'm probably going to be quiet most of the time. Ooh, now we're up 425. I would rather see this on NQ. Oh, look at that push, 455. Oops. We did have some really, some kind of tough trades today. You can see this is red and this is red currently. Oh, well, when this closes out, will be good because this has already moved up and this is at break even, so that should move up soon. 4 minutes until the market closes, the stock market, that is. Ooh, now this is up 550, 170. Let's put this on TickTok real quick. Alright, I'm back. I was just posting on TikTok, but really I was just going to take this time to answer questions, as that YM is out with like 100 or 150, something like that. NQ is still running. We're in the green. You can see this red line has moved up. That's the trailing stop. I just came to my computer because I took a little time to just relax, and now I am back. Oh, looky here, guys. I love that guy. To run some reports and answer questions. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them. But I am actually going to just be running reports because the market's about to close, so it probably won't take many more trades. And I was kind of also playing some music, and I can't really do that when I do YouTube, or it will copyright me. Alright, so where's my strategy analyzer? Let me maximize this 1 second. Where did that just go? Is it back here? I know I didn't exit it out. Look at YM is still going. Oh, there it is. Okay, so this is what I was looking at, and let me minimize this again. So I'm using a VPS, or a virtual private server. I can actually move this down a little. So this, you can see the NQ trade. Ooh, now NQ's at 690. Ooh, 700, 720. It was just at like 5. Last minute of the market. That's why. So you can see our stop loss is here. I'll hold this until, I'll stay here. Look at YM kept going up. Ooh, look at these spikes. I will stay here until this closes out, which should probably be soon. And then I will do some scalping. This is why you can't freak out when you're red. Like this was red, this was red. I think ES was red this morning. And now look, ES is up $400 on the day. Gold is up $250 on the day. And Q is going to be green. And then the only red one would be YM. And I think RTY was red too. Yeah, my biz, it works for everything.
Order filled.
What was that? Oh, NQ. All right, so instead of being down $70 on NQ, now I'm up $635 on the day. All right. All right, so this is done. So now I can go back to my, oops, some people are just real. Yes, it only works on NinjaCraft. We talked about this the other night. Yeah. This is also in my FAQ document that's in the free group. sorry, it's just answering some questions in the room. Okay. All right. I'm gonna pull this. Oh, I see it now. I think this is important too. Look at Mondays. I feel like midweek is usually best. Well, this is also a funky product. Oh, I love this. I'm such a nerd for data. Like, I don't know why. I just think it's so cool. 7 a.m. made $7,000. 9 a.m. made $5,600. 4 p.m. didn't make much, and in the evening made negative. I love this. Do you guys kind of see what I'm doing here? Sure. One of my members showed me this. See, this is why I like when people work together, because now I want to pull, I really want to pull, I should save all these though. See, then it's like, where do you, well, I guess I could put all of this into a Google Doc. Let me know if you guys have any questions. So this, I want to save this information because I will forget it in my mind. And it's easy to see it as like a whole and kind of review that way. So I'm going to create a document and I'm going to take pictures. Google Slides. I should make a freaking spreadsheet. So what we can do is set up a condition or code to 100% win rate at 7 a.m. That is insane. %89 win rate at 9:30. Do you see this? This is amazing. Oh, Brendan, I love you for finding this. Oh, this is why, like, this is so great. What's your WPM? I don't know. What's a WPM? John, what are you putting your email in here for? You're already part of the room. AMD is an E-mini it's the mid-cap futures. It has really good returns and not a lot of risk. What's a WPM? Is that a good thing or a bad thing? I don't know. Is something like delayed? Is that what you're asking? I don't have my mouse showing, if that's what, oh yeah, I do. Now it's showing there. I don't know. Is that what you're asking about? Alright, I need to take a picture of this. See, and then you can also figure out if there's certain products that would cut into your... That's another thing I need to do, actually. Oh, words per minute. Oh. I think it's... I don't know. 66? Something like that. Sorry. Like, just because I type fast doesn't mean I'm actually correctly typing, you know? But I have heard that I type fast. All right. So, okay, I need to start taking pictures of this stuff and saving it in this document. What should I call this? Hourly breakdown? Oh my gosh, I am so excited Brendan found this. My boys, like, people are just helping so much. It's amazing. All right, so I'll do this and I'll just save it as EMD. I'll just do this for every product. Well, I'm not going to do it for micros because I don't give a fuck. Well, I care, but I mean, like, if people really want to do it with micros, they can pull it themselves. Like, I've already pulled everything else for micros. This is going to be more for me and what I'm doing with my positions. And I also don't really even care about the S&P 500. See, I wish I could just load my settings. Load. Oh, I can. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I get so excited for the dumbest things. Like, that just made me so happy. Okay, so this is the S&P 500, even though, oops, it changed it to EMD. Damn it. Oh no, it didn't change it to EMD. I never changed the product, but I changed the settings. Okay. What is it doing now? This is for half an hour. Look at S&P 500. Gross. I don't like any of this. Do it on hour of the day. It's like so bipolar. This is London. This is after lunch. This is not good. Day of the week. Sunday, Monday, Thursday. Mondays seem to be good so far, so we have to remember that. Mondays seem to be a positive day. All right, let's skip over ES because I don't care about ES. NQ. All right, let's do NQ. Oh, look at the difference between ES and NQ. Can we talk about this? This is beautiful. I love myself some NQ, and if you don't, you are missing out. Fridays are not a good day to trade. No, sir. Look at Monday. Monday is the greenest day so far. We've gone through 3 products, and every Monday has been super green. If you just traded NQ on Monday, you would have made most of your money there. 64,000. Holy hell. Think about that. Seriously, think about that. That is important knowledge. That is important information. $68,000 just on Mondays. That's important. Okay? Okay. I don't know if I need this whole thing because I know what my NQ settings are. All right. Saved NQ. Can I like open this? Can I minimize it? Oh, perfect. Okay. Oh wait, so this is day of the week, but let's do hour of the day and half hour of the day for NQ. Ooh, it is not good at the open. Half an hour. Look at that 9:30. That is really, really gross. So this tells me that I should not be running my algorithm on NQ at 9:30. Do you know why that is? Does anybody know why I would say that? Look, besides seeing this big red bar here. I'll wait if anybody wants to respond. So, if nobody knows, I'll answer. So, the reason why NQ most likely has a really hard time at 9:30 in the morning is because it gets faked out. NQ makes really, really big moves. Nice, Daniel. It makes, so NQ, yep, volatility, that's true. So, but NQ, so my algorithm only takes long trades. So think about the 9:30 opens, the market opens, it starts moving up. Okay, so my algo hits all of its parameters and then it gets in a long trade. So that long trade then gets faked out and NQ drops and it hits max loss, or it hits, it just, yeah, this would obviously be max loss. So that you can see here. I don't know why it does PM first. Let's see, 9:30 a.m. $37,000, 91 trades. So, and even 10 a.m. 9,900, right? 9,000, or is $990. Okay, my eyes are like playing tricks on me. But then look, 10:30 looks great. So what I would do in this situation, if you have the ability or the time, because not everyone, I understand this is an algorithm, you want it to just run for you. If there's a way to set up time frames, and that's what I'm looking into now, you could simply say something like, I only want to trade NQ between the hours of 10 a.m. and 8 p.m. or something like that, which would then avoid the open. So it would still be running for you. You don't have to do anything. You would just set up the time. If for some reason I can't figure that out, I would simply be conscious every day to just not enable NQ until 9:30 or 10 o'clock. And if you're using a VPS server, even if you're at work, you can pull up the VPS server on your phone off of an application, and you can zoom in, and all you have to do is push this in a little enable button and enable NQ after 9:30 or after 10 a.m. So to me, that makes a lot of sense. And again, I'm going to praise Brendan for finding this for me, because I was actually thinking about this the other day. I was like, I wish it could break it down by hour of the day or best day of the week. And this is doing exactly that. So I'm going to actually put this in my spreadsheet too, because to me, this is really important. And I want to remember to avoid 9:30 when it comes to NQ. So I'm going to add this here for NQ. So if I can edit each product to trade a certain time, then I will do that. If I can't, let me just add this person. Yes. Match. Wait, what do you mean match? All right, let me just send this. And then I need to send one more thing. All right, let me bounce back here. All right, so now we can move on to I need to do this later. All right, so what product should I do next? Let's do YM. YM and NQ are, actually RTY is one of my favorites too, but YM and NQ are some of my favorites. I just hate ES, and I've noticed over the years it just doesn't work well for what I like and how I trade, so I just avoid ES. Let me just send this to my buddy. Copy. Did it paste? Did it not paste? Copy. All right, so again here, YM is pretty volatile like NQ. So this again is gonna give me the information to stay away at the open. I'm fine with that. Let's see what the amount is. $31,000. It's actually a little choppy here. When is the best time? Let's do it by hour. The best time is London session. I guess they like the Dow better than the US Dow. Or the, yeah, the Dow. And the open. So see, this information is really helpful to me. So with, like, I hope this makes sense. With looking at this, what would this say to you? What it says to me is, avoid trading YM during this whole period and only trade YM from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. You know, why get caught in the areas that have the biggest drawdowns or the biggest losing trades? Does that make sense? I hope it does. I hope it does. Oh, shoot. Why am I taking a picture of that? No, I don't want that. I want this. I really just want to be able to copy this, and I don't know. Why won't it let me paste this? All right, then let's do day of the week. Ooh, look how bad Thursdays are for YM. And obviously this is just for the past 6 months. This is not like all time forever. Oh, actually this is all of 2020. I was gonna just do since August. Yeah, so see, so just since August, it's not as bad. I try to avoid COVID. I feel like it's not a normal thing that's going to happen all the time. So wait, so let's go back to hour of the day. So YM hasn't been that bad at 10 o'clock, but look at how good it is here. YM is clearly really strong during London, pre-London, London. So I'm going to mark that in my little notebook. Look at these candles, 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. If I can set a parameter on YM, that's what it would be. Even 6 p.m. Like I would take it at 6 p.m. too. 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. Honestly. Maybe till 7, so it covers that. That's what I would do for YM, and I'm going to put that in my notes. Does that make sense? You guys are probably like, this is so stupid. This is so exciting to me. Like, I find this very exhilarating. Exhilarating? Exhilarating. I want to make this by AM. Look at 2 AM. 6 AM, 8,700. Why would you even trade YM during the day? Yeah. Alright, well, I have my information. I could even put like a little bubble on here, a call out. Make it white. And talk about the best time of the day, best day of the week. All right. Best time of day, 6 p.m. to 7 a.m. Best day of the week. What did we say that was? Oh, Monday. What a surprise. Everything is Monday. Why is this so big? All right. I wish. Stop texting me. All right. YM is done. Oh, this makes me so happy. You guys probably don't care. You're probably like, this girl is such a loser. This makes me really happy. All right. NQ, I can actually change this. That's what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to go back, reload NQ, and take the actual, just the one picture I want, and then put the bubble. So obviously the day of the week for NQ is also Monday, Sunday, Monday. But the one that I liked the most was that 30-minute. But see, that might have been because I was on, look, Zach, I want to show you this. So this is NQ for day of the week. Look at 30 minutes on NQ. Look at 9:30. Like faked out to the max. You see this? Insane. Yeah, it is for me also. Oh, good, Scott. I'm glad. I'm glad someone's enjoying this with me. I know Zach will. He just joined. So, and I'm sure some of you others are. You're just not saying anything, which is fine. Zach, look at this. So to me, this is huge red flag. Okay, don't trade NQ at the open. You're going to get faked out. But look, huge candle at 10:30. So instead, I'm going to take it at 10. I'm going to take it at, you know, start taking NQ at 10 a.m. or 10:15, whatever it is, to avoid all of this mess. I'm really going to break down like every product, which I'm so excited about. All right, so let me delete this. Thanks, Paul. Let me redo this one. Day of the week is definitely Monday. And then really for NQ, I would just avoid the open. And maybe like the market close. I don't know. I may stop my things right. Look, you can click on the candle and it will show you where it is. Like, that's so cool. I like this. I'm getting more used to NinjaTrader now. I was super like weird at first, but all right. What was I saying the other one? Best time of the day. Or I could just put time to avoid. But like on this, other than 9:30, everything is fine. I'm fine with, you know, these other little red candles. Obviously, you could avoid this. You could just say 10 a.m. to 6 a.m. and take a break, or 7 a.m., whatever this is. 6:30, 7 o'clock. take a break from 7 until 10. So you could run it. This is what, 10:30? You could run it from 10 to, what did you say, 7, right? 10 to 6:30 every day. I'm going to add time to avoid as an extra piece. Best time to trade, 10 a.m. to 6:30. All right, 6:30. Well, this is 7 into 7:30, so we could do it to 7, so that's fine. 10 a.m., obviously going around the clock, 10 a.m. to 7 a.m. I would just avoid 7 to 10. Time to avoid, really, though, is 9:30. That's like the biggest time to avoid. So if for some reason I don't get the time right? Right, Zach? I'm so excited. So if for some reason I'm not able to integrate the time in this, I'm just going to have this in my head to myself saying, yeah, I love it, Zach. Say, okay, Lauren, don't ever trade NQ at the open. Wait until 10 a.m. Disable it until 10 a.m. And that's not hard to do. You come into your platform, you click this little check mark. That's all you do when you're under your strategies. So this is really, really cool. And what was the other thing? Best day of the week is Monday. You can also put in here like worst day of the week too. No, Scott, I still use Tradeovate to scalp and swing. I'm not going to use NinjaTrader for anything but the algo. Can you see what product this is somewhere? Uh-oh. Well, whatever. I have it there, but that's kind of weird, right? What if I should put worst day? No? NASDAQ 100. Okay. I'm just going to do that so then if it's not on my piece of paper, I will have it still. All right. NASDAQ's good. YM is good. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. That's exactly what I'm doing, Zach. All right, what's next? We did EMD, NQ. YM. Now we need to do RTY. So I'm just going to continue to do this. If you have, I'm going to go on mute so I can listen to some music. If you guys have questions, feel free to message me on Slack. He had on his Happy New Year crown, so I just wanted to make sure. Feel free to send me questions on YouTube or on Slack, and I will reply. I'm just going to go on mute for a little bit. All right. I just had some really good songs on, but Bo just joined. So I'm going to explain this for him, and I'm actually going to pull up, I'm going to rerun YM. So I'm going to pull up my YM settings, change this to YM, change the date to August, because I just like to do 5 or 6 months behind. So this is going to analyze this one product, and you can choose if you want it by the day. So I like these day of the week. What is the best performer? It seems that most of the indices' best day is Monday. So I'm keeping this as, and I feel like I should also note the worst day. I don't know, just to kind of be aware. But then maybe break down Tuesdays. I don't know. I wonder if I could break it down by, well, I would have to, I know I could look at like each day. That would be a lot. All right, well, first of all, Monday is the best day for YM. And then I look at hour of the day. So I can see that obviously London is a good session for YM. This is not so good. The afternoon is not so good. The evening is fine. So the best times I would say for YM is 6 p.m. and then continuing overnight to 7 a.m. So that is the information that I want to keep. So I'm going to take a picture of this and I'm going to put a little blurb. All right, so do a call out. I'll put the product. YM, best time to trade, 6 p.m. to 7 a.m. Best day of the week. I think maybe getting into worst day might just be too much. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to be messing with this every day. But if I can set up designated times for each product, then I can at least figure that out. You know what I'm saying? So that would be really beneficial. All right. All right. So YM, RTY, NASDAQ, EMD are all done, and gold. Now I can do oil. So CL, oh, I don't have CL saved in here. I'm going to have to pull up the settings for oil. Because this could make you, obviously, you could raise your profitability. Obviously. Right, Scott? Yeah. Yeah, you can't use this on TD Ameritrade. If that's what you're asking. I know I need the point document. You could use NinjaTrader as a, like, I think it's like a demo account and pay for the service, but then trade off of a different platform. Yes. Pretty sure you could do that. I just have to make sure that you have a machine ID. But then the machine ID, oh yeah. Yeah. Well, that might be fine. I don't know. I'd have to see. Okay, so we did NASDAQ, YM, RTY. I don't care about ES. Oil. So let me put in oil's numbers. 1, 3.5, 1. Oh shit, I've had number of contracts on here as 2. Oh, that was probably for YM because I do YM with 2 contracts. That's fine. CL, I don't even have it saved. Crazy. This is also because it's on. See this little pin thing? That's so cool. And then it pins like your favorite ones to the top. All right, let me save this as oil. So you just do save, put in whatever you want to call it, save. So now I have this saved. So these are my oil settings. And these are the dates I want to run it. So I'm going to run it. Yeah, I don't know. Bo asked if it could pull for like specific Mondays. Obviously, you could go Monday by Monday, but I don't know if you can do specific days of the week. I would have to look into that further. I just found out about this an hour ago, so I'm still relishing in how excited I am. So this is oil. So 10 a.m. like 8:30 to 10 is not good for oil. Oh, also oil typically, it has historically, it has a report at 10:30 every Wednesday. So that could affect this. Yeah, whatever, Bo. Get out of here. All right, 12 a.m. So it's pretty good. You just avoid like an hour. 9 to 11. Yeah, 9 to 11. You could break it down to half an hour. And what is this? Oh, 5 o'clock. They have a 4:30 report on Tuesdays. So oil has a report on Tuesdays and a report on Wednesdays that are both very volatile and crazy. So let's do day of the week. Monday. Look how bad Friday is. Friday was really bad for gold too. Like the metals and the commodities are not good on, well, most things aren't good on Friday. That's why I try to tell, when I train new people, I say, avoid trading Fridays, avoid trading Fridays. And what do people do? They freaking go ham on a Friday. And I'm like, why did you go crazy on a Friday? Oh, well, my account was funded on Friday and I really wanted to start trading. Like, y'all can't wait one more day. Chill. Okay, so I'm going to take a picture of it on the hour because I think that's enough data for me. And I'm going to avoid those 2 hours, the 8 to 11 a.m. And the best day of the week was Monday, all right? This is 10, this is 11, this is 9. 8's fine, so 9, yeah. Don't trade 9 to 11. All right, oil. Let's see. This time to trade. Trying to keep it all the same. 6 p.m. No. See, I can't do it like that because it's in between here. So 11 a.m. to 9 a.m. the next day. I hope that makes sense to me later. It should. It circles around. Because it's backwards, you know what I'm saying? Best day of the week is Monday. Worst day of the week, Friday. Okay. Cool, this looks good. All right, oil's done. Oops. Okay, cool. Oil, gold, RTYYM, NASDAQ, and EMD. What's next? Okay, Scott, cool. I'm not going to do any of the micros. I can pull corn and coffee, but those usually only run during the day anyway, so corn XC 321. Let's see. I'm so excited. So now, Zach, you need to send me the information how I can change the certain hours. All right, so afternoons are not good for corn. The best time is really like 9 to 12, just like the opening of the market. Why even get caught in anything else paying commissions, you know? And I take 5 contracts, so these are based on the amount of 5. Best time to trade, 9 to 1. I'm just going to do that for corn. Because then that avoids you ever being in a trade at the close. Like, it's really fine any other time. Like, the loss on corn is so small. So really, I could do, does it not open till 8 p.m.? I don't even know how that works. I could really just avoid 2 to 5. I might just do that. Because these other ones are good. Like, why am I going to give up this money, you know? XC. Best time to trade. 6 p.m. to, I said 1 p.m. Oh, what's the best day of the week? Thursday. Look at Thursday. Wednesday, Thursday. Gold is the same. All right, cool. I might be done. I don't think I'm going to do coffee. I don't care that much. Yeah. What do we figure out with the EMD? I'm going to have to take a new one out of EMD. And then I'll be done. Hey guys, if you have any questions, let me know. I will answer them for you. Alright. Best day of the week, Monday. Let's do it by hour. 7 to 10. Alright. Monday and then 7 to 10. Best time to trade, 7 to 10. The best day of the week, Monday. Okay, cool. All right, EMD and NASDAQ YM. RTY. Gold, oil, and corn. Perfect. All right, now I need to just figure out how I can change my settings. So the day's pretty much done. 3 minutes to the close. 4, 5, 6, 1,200 minus 600, so $600. And I think I had a negative RTY. So it might have been a red day, maybe by like $500 or $600. Nothing too bad for such an ugly day that I probably shouldn't have been in anyway, but it was good to test it out. All right, I'm going to jump off this stream. I hope this was helpful. The info that you can look up is game changer. Yeah, agreed. Yeah, so that's why I'm telling you, make sure you guys play around with that and kind of figure out what works best for you and what you should trade. And don't blindly follow me because, you know, that's just dumb. But, all right, so I will talk to you guys later. Have a safe evening. Futures is running tonight and tomorrow, so we'll see. I could jump on later. It's not like I have a life or anything. So, all right, guys, talk later. Bye.